Hey gamers and creators, have you ever wondered what powers some of your favorite games? Let's take a journey through the evolution of Unity, one of the most user-friendly and versatile game engines out there. Unity was created in 2005 by Unity Technologies in Denmark. But the story actually began back in 2002 when founders Nicolas Francis and Joachim Antti started working on it. Their main focus: making game development easier for indie developers, especially on Mac OS. The first official release came in 2005 for Mac. And while it was basic at first, it was already setting the stage for something huge. By 2006, Unity began supporting Windows. Soon after, it introduced web player support, letting developers bring games directly to browsers without any third-party installations. Over the years, Unity released more versions, each adding exciting new features. In 2009, Unity 2.5 came along, bringing support for iPhone and iPod VR capabilities and better animation tools. Fast forward to 2015, Unity became more advanced than ever, supporting physical content and WebGL, enhancing both performance and creative possibilities. And in 2020, Unity continued to grow, keeping up with the latest technology while improving both quality and quantity of features. So why choose Unity? Well, it's user-friendly, open source, fast and powerful. It handles animations like a pro and work across PC, mobile and console platforms. Big name games like Cuphead were built using Unity, proving its capability and reliability. So if you are dreaming of starting your own game development project, Unity is the perfect place to start. It's beginner friendly, packed with features, and ready to help you bring your ideas to life. Join the millions of creators worldwide and start your journey with Unity today.